Southern Colorado District Attorney accused of unethical behavior is now responding to the state Supreme Court. 11th Judicial DA Linda Stanley could lose her license over the allegations laid out by state attorney regulators who want her disciplined. KRDO 13 investigator Quinn Retzdorf is live in our studio with the DA's response. Quinn.
Yeah, in October, the Office of Attorney Regulation Counsel filed a complaint with the Colorado Supreme Court. It alleges that DA Linda Stanley violated numerous professional rules of conduct for attorneys. This week, Stanley came back with this 42-page response denying the allegations. The majority of the Office of Attorney Regulation Counsel's complaints against District Attorney Linda Stanley pertains to a high-profile Chaffee County murder case. Back in 2021, DA Linda Stanley was prosecuting a murder case against husband Barry Morphew in the disappearance of his wife, Suzanne.
Asked questions, he said he wanted a lawyer, so all questioning ended.
One complaint says the DA appeared on this podcast, Profiling Evil, talking about the now dismissed case against Barry Morphew. Stanley wrote this comment online saying that a body and a weapon aren't needed for a murder conviction. But DA Stanley says none of her comments on the podcast or online affected the court proceedings. Stanley also admitted in her response to the Supreme Court that she launched a domestic abuse investigation into the judge of the Morphew case. Her legal response states she felt Judge Lama was biased against the prosecution in his rulings. So Stanley says she investigated him, which she claims she has a legal right to do. The DA claims the interview with the judge's ex-wife was not intended to influence or intimidate the courts. State regulators claim the pattern of inappropriate statements continued this year in a different case. They point to this July on-camera interview with KRDO 13 Investigates, where Stanley talks about an active murder case and the suspect charged in the 10-month-old baby's death.
He has zero investment in this child. Zero. He's watching that baby so he can get laid. That's it. And have a place to sleep.
But Stanley claims in a response to the court the conversation was off the record. Despite wearing a microphone and being on camera, Stanley claims she didn't know her statements would be made public. The State Attorney Regulation Office says the district attorney knew, or should have known, the interview would have been disseminated by means of public communication. KRDO 13 Investigates reached out to Stanley today for comment, but she never responded. A trial hearing date will likely be set in January. Reporting live in the studio, Quinn Retzdorf, KRDO 13 Investigates.